So you want a bench like this? So you got two options. First option, either you can buy it from someone who can make like this. You got second option, you can build it. If you are a hardware store person, then this video is for you. So we have come to Rona to buy the lumber. This is our scribbly cut list. So this 2x6x10 is $9.93 and that's what we need. So got all the lumber pieces cut. So all this lumber and the cuts costed me $18. So this is all the lumber we will need to build our bench. And these are the screws, 10 by 3 inch. 50 piece box ordered from Amazon. I'll put down the links below in the description. So it's a corrosion resistant star bit, comes with a bit too. Other things that we will need is a tape measure, a pencil, drill. You don't specifically need a drill bit, but this is just for the screws. You will need a 4 piece of 12 inches 2x6s. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 piece of 2x6s 18 inches and 2, 3 and 4. These two are for the legs. Top boards, 3 pieces of 2x6s are 32 inches. So it's a good yield if you get a 8-foot one and cut it into 3 pieces. Mark 1.5 inches, a straight line at 1.5. So this is where the other piece of wood would be sitting, and half of 1.5 is 0.75. So this is where you need to put the screws in. And mark it every 1.5 inch. So 1.5, one at 3 and the last one at 4.5. So this is where your screws will go. I will do the same for all the pieces. So here I'm filing the rough edges with a rasp. You can either use a finer side to finish or rough side to remove most of the material. The process should be pretty simple. So at this point you don't want to go through, but you just want to go till here, a little bit till here. For the second half, you need to align it this way and go straight in. So one end is done this way. I know it's not finished, but I should have angled it better. So this is the first half. The second half should be easy comparatively. So you can see that our first half is ready, and we will make a similar one like this. Come on man, आज से बैटरी पतवानी होती. Alright, so we are back. The battery is charged and ready to screw. Okay, so let's start one by one. We'll start with this side. About screwing part, so I cannot nail it right here because there are already nails going down on this side and not even here, on this side and maybe somewhere down here. Let's see, 2 would be enough, I would say. Three-quarter. Here it's not necessary you go exact measurement, you can go random. At the corners, our bench is ready, but it's still a bit wobbly. Definitely, I'm not sure what mistake I did, what I could have done differently, but have to add something in the bottom to level it. But let's see the moment of truth, if it can take my load. Oh yeah, it's pretty sturdy. I think I can even stand on it. Yeah. Cool. So this is the sanding process of making the table, and Hannah is helping me here to sand the surface. We are basically preparing the surface for staining the wood. It's necessary to like file it and prepare the surface in order for the grain to appear like in a visual way. So first we are applying this 60 grit paper and filing it with that, and later we will go with much finer, maybe 120 or even finer. This is called a rasp. It's specially used for filing wood, not metal, because the metal file is different. The rasp is having more coarser grain on the edge surface. Now let's go to the staining process. This is a stain with what's it? It's the espresso color, espresso wood with polyurethane. So there is a protective layer already in it. So just grab a old cloth or a rag. You can use a sock or even a paintbrush. Some people do use paintbrush, but you can do this way. It's pretty easy. So just wipe down in the direction of the grain. Don't go sideways. If wood grain is going straight, just apply stain in single coats on this direction. Make sure to squeeze the cloth while you apply.